Ultimately, this is what it all revolves around to. This is a race of content. So Gary Vee likes to say content at scale. Every single piece of content you put out there is one little teeny tiny fish line in the water. Now, you may catch a fish with it. Probably won't in this type of pond. You're probably not going to. You can't go and say, hey, I'm going to go change my business and post on LinkedIn one time a day or go tweet once a day. There's just too much content. No one's going to notice you. It's going to take more than that. But over time, being consistent, tweeting multiple times a day, putting multiple, and there are tools for this to make it simple. And especially if you're documenting, not creating multiple times a day, 10 years from now you've got like, I don't know, 20,000 pieces of content out there that's searchable, that's contextual, searchable. Now consumers see that. Not only do they see it now, but also once they find you and they're interested in you, they're probably now doing their research and due diligence. Now they see like, oh man, this person's active. Like this agent's all over the place. I'm gonna give them a shout. Got a house. I don't know any realtors, or I'm moving in the area. Let's see what happens. So
yeah, you guys just got to start, because now looking back, I have almost 1,000 pieces of content out there on the internet. Now looking back, if you were asking me when I started and say you go put 1,000 pieces of content out there, I said no way, that doesn't seem possible, and it would have been too big of an effort in my mind. But if you guys just start putting out 2 videos a week and then going on a podcast here and there, doing a podcast here and there, before you know it, guys, if you're just putting out content every week, over time that asset builds and you're going to have a following, and 2-3 years down the road you're going to get paid off for the efforts you're putting in today. But it's going to take a little bit of time to get this rocket ship off the ground. It takes a lot of energy, a lot of effort, because your channel's small, but it grows exponential. Because if you have 10 people, say 2 people out of 10 like it, that's 2 people sharing word of mouth or sharing your videos on the internet. It's not a lot. Now you get to 100, same percentage, but now you're at 20. 1,000, 200. So as time grows, more people share your videos, more people talk about you, and it creates attention as a funnel to you. And so it's going to be very, very slow and stressful in the beginning, guys. You just have to push through that pain barrier and get through there and have some personal initiatives to stay consistent, keep doing it. Because if you do it and you pull it off, it's going to change your life forever, like it did mine and a lot of other people who have built big channels.